another day here at Driftland working on the E34.
I do think David Blaine can fix that.
Yeah, right. Let's go think about it. Just to try and take a chunk out of this. A much smaller arch roller has now been created. Hey everybody, another day here at Driftland working on the E34. Last you seen yesterday, Stu had got the rear quarters all done. We were struggling to get the doors mounted. We're still waiting on the hardware for them. And today we are going to get the front wings mounted. So Stuart's been doing a little bit of work on this morning, so let's go have a look, see what he's done so far. This rear slam panel, which is all looking sweet. Fuel flaps away. Anything else you've been doing this morning, Stuart?
Sills repaired,
Oh, yeah.
got that nice and smooth now. Sill sits on nice and sweet. Some templates cut out for our metal fillets so we can widen the quarters out.
Chicken fillets on the go. And now let's get the wings off.
I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, let's get the wings off. Don't be afraid, Stuart. Don't be afraid.
I'm not. It's just I'm not looking forward to it.
Nobody's looking forward to it. Alright, let's get them off and see what happens. No arch liners for years results in this much mud getting in here. Now hopefully I've cleared enough to see the bolts now. Is our new pair of pattern wings, so let's get these guys opened. There we go, one wing. Turns out these pattern wings are actually pretty good fit. A little bit of a gap there, but we'll be able to take that up when it's all bolted in. And the rest of it is actually pretty damn good. Quite impressed, eh, Stu? Yeah, it's pretty good. So next, I'm going to take this back off and I'm going to get this lip here and fold it down and out the way because we need maximum flare. So let's get the dollies and get them battered out. So yeah, let's get a couple of little cuts and get this around. In order to stop the wing from moving, we have created this mount here. So welded it on here, and then we brought an adjustable mount up here in order to securely mount the wing, and that should allow us to try and roll it within an inch of its life. That's the wing, nice and sturdy now. We've got, can't quite see it, yeah, a bolt in there, and we've got a mount made up here at the front. So now we're going to offer up one of those Zs, see how far away we are.
Big boys!
How far away are we going to be? Miles!
Not even the same postcode, mate?
No, I don't think so. It's going to be KY4 this one. Can't even get a wheel on. Okay, so we need to start rolling the arch before we even offer a wheel up. I think that's impressive. Or stupid, what do you think?
Is that both?
Yeah, mostly stupid. Right, okay, let's get the arch roller bolted up and take a wee swing at it and see what happens. Looks like we might even struggle just to get the arch roller in. Oh no.
Yeah.
Right, so we need to take the caliper off.
Caliper off, yeah.
Oh, that's alright, because we can just hang that off the cable tie off the arms. A lot of people have been asking how I have got S14 stuff onto my car, and we will address that in a future episode when we're addressing the hubs at the end in order to get the wheels to fit 5x120. Then we are going to go over the full S14 conversion that I've got on this E34, so keep an eye out for that on a future episode. Right, this hasn't gone according to plan at all. So we got the brake off and the disc off, got the arch roller in place, but it's hitting the inner wing. It's pretty much in my strut top and not anywhere near out here on the wing. And to be completely honest with you, I'm not really sure how I'm going to address that. I don't know how I'm going to fix that. Any ideas, Stuart?
I do think David Blaine can fix that.
Yeah.
It's quite a large issue. It's not just small.
Yeah, like we can't even get the wheel on to see how far away it is, let alone start addressing it and making it come out the way. We just went and got like every different front wing combo that we've got, but they're all for 3 Series. E36, E46, and none of them are even close, and I'm not prepared to sacrifice and make this look Polish for the wheels. It's got to look OEM, no Polskis.
Sorry, Yanks.
No Polskis. Fuck. Right. Let's go think about it. Drawing board.
Yeah.
I think we might have.
A few minutes later.
We might have. Well, we tried to work out how to get this arch roller to work. I'm going to go out in the sweeper. However, I've just remembered that today is new brush day. My best favourite day every 6 months or so. I get these. Where are they? These. Yeah, new brushes. Makes it so much easier. People back in the day, I used to get excited about modified cars and big wheels and going to drift events. Now I get excited by new brushes. I'm so excited to get them in the box, Stuart! Well, the most exciting unboxing of the year.
The only parcel that can be kicked about by DPD and it won't break.
Aye, they're not breaking this. Oh, it's going to make my life so much easier. You forget how much...
Is it that much of a difference?
Ah, definitely.
Take that.
Shows you the difference between a used and a new brush. It's a big difference. It's
I wonder how many the council gets through though. Can you imagine? You don't exactly use this much.
Nah.
How much must they do?
And they throw them out way before it gets to this point, because between me and you, we used to get some of the old council throwaway ones back in the day, and they were about halfway in between these two, so they were throwing them away. And these brushes are 80 quid each, I think. So we get 2 pairs a year basically. It takes this.
Not the worst.
So, but yeah, let's get them on. I'm so excited to use it. It's so much better. Look at that fine specimen of a sweeper. The sweeper, massive love-hate relationship with the sweeper.
Yes,
it's both my favourite and my least favourite machine. I love it when it works, but it doesn't work very often. They're outrageously expensive. This thing is 80 grand new. And unfortunately, they're just about as expensive second hand, except they're way less reliable. These things are the bane of Stuart's life.
You've also got something new to try.
What's that? I've got heaters, yeah, this thing's never had heaters. And unfortunately for the test, today's the warmest day we've had. I've actually got a bit of a sweat on. It's all good. Right, I'm looking forward to going and sleeping it. I'll be back after I've swept the track, and I think the solution for our problem is just going to be raising the car, roll it, lower it, raise it, lower it, lower it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and keep going until it's where we need, until it still won't go to where we need it, and then think of another plan.
No, it's going to work.
Right,
Has to.
I'll go sweep the track and then we'll get on with it.
A few minutes later.
Right, I've been out, I've swept the track, and I think we've both come to a similar conclusion.
Yeah.
Which is to chop up your nice
30 quid arch roller.
30 quid arch roller. So I think the plan is to try and take a chunk out of this.
Yep.
Across here, shorten that, and then potentially move these pivot points around.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm going to cut this up now while Stuart carries on with some fiberglassing. It still fits. A much smaller arch roller has now been created. The question is it actually going to make any difference, and is it still going to operate as an arch roller? Let's find out. Right, got it bolted up. It's the moment of truth. Is it going to work? Okay.
Right,
That's better.
that's promising.
That's better.
Because to be fair, that's where it's going to end up.
We're in. Nah.
No.
What do we need here? We just need to move this pivot down.
Yeah.
That's all we need. If we drill that, drill another hole down here somewhere, it should still all work. But I'll go stick that in the power drill and blast a hole through it. More mods done to the arch roller. It's now the shortest, smallest arch roller it can possibly ever be.
Mini roller.
We've moved the pivot points, we've shortened it as much as we can. Let's see if it's now going to give us what we require. Oh, Stu's going straight for the top instead of putting it on at the bottom and spinning it. Arch roller iteration 47.
Yeah.
See, this
0.5.
This is going to be the one. Come on. It's got to be. I've got a rave going on in there.
Even the light's giving up the ghost.
It's getting to that point in the day. It's dark outside now.
May need to shorten this.
Yeah, I did think we might need to shorten that, but they're going to give us what we need, so we're going to get the right angle on it.
Oh, baby.
Reckon that's going to do it?
I think that's the closest possible you could get.
Yeah, start down at the bottom and then start working our way out. Just need to cut that.
Trim that. Oh, you move it to there, up and round, yeah.
Yeah, I just need to chop that.
Yeah.
Alien down. Chop him down. And we've got an arch roller, little roller car.
I'm impressed actually.
I don't know if I'm impressed or disappointed that we've spent all day making an arch roller to do that was already an arch roller into an arch roller.
Yeah, but this will give us stupid lows.
Yeah, hopefully. I'm still not even convinced that we'll be able to roll the arch out enough. But now at least we'll be able to find out.
The way that folded out and dressed out, I think with loads and loads of heat, that'll, our supports at either side will make that.
Hopefully. So, I reckon we call it quits.
Yeah, bail.
Come back. Well, I'm not coming back tomorrow because it's an in-service day, so Travis is off school and I'm going to Sci-Fi Con in Edinburgh. I'm not into sci-fi in the slightest. I actively avoid movies that start with either Marvel or DC. So yeah, but Travis is going to love it. So I won't be here tomorrow, but Stuart's going to film. He's going to remember to film. He's going to get lots of lovely time lapses for you. He's going to have lots of selfies like this, talking to himself in the camera. And we're going to have more footage and you're going to get a bit more work done. Mint! Thanks for watching. Another episode. We're getting closer.
Yeah.
We're getting closer. Hopefully soon we'll have some action in one of these videos.
Yeah, let's be fair, with the goalposts have went from to...
Yeah, we've went mental. But, well, there's no other way really. So yeah, do subscribe. See you later.
Bye.